As th- Welcome. This is our Dr. Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Tribly, SNS College of Technology. This is a video series in the course 19 WT 301 Power Electronics and Drives. Power Electronics and Drives. Now we are sailing in the Unit 3, Unit 4 Introduction to Electric Drives. In the unit 4, it consists of two parts. One is introduction about electric drives and about DC drives. Now we are going to study about our introduction to electric drives. The topic here it is the development and the classifications of electric drives. First, let me see what is a drive and what are all the basic drives available. See here, let me see what is a drives, the demerits and the demerits of all the drives available in the world, and what is electric drive, how we are empathizing the existing drive and converting it into the electric drives, the conventional drive and the present power electronic drives, which means it is a static drives, the classifications, the advantages and the applications of the electric drives, right? This video series consists of unit number 4, electric drives, introduction, and the elements, the classifications, the advantages, applications, and let me see some part about DC drives. First, what is a drive? What is a drive? The system that employs a motion control. A system that employs a motion control is called a drive. You know that. See here. It is a system which is shown here which employs the motion control. When the larger gear wheel rotates lesser, the smaller gear wheels rotates in a faster mode. Therefore, there is a transmission of power from low to high. There is a transmission of power or transmission of mechanical energy from low to high, and the vice versa may also happen, right? If the shaft is fixed in the small gear wheel arrangements, this drive is called as anyone, this drive is called as a mechanical drive. And again another mechanical drive which consists of a cam and a gear wheel arrangements and a chain is there. A cam, a gear wheel and a chain comes into picture. The application of this is nothing but, it is a bicycle, right? A pedal, a gear wheel, and a chain is there, and a camshaft is there. The camshaft, and here again there is a transmission of power from a lower speed to a higher speed. These called as mechanical drive, which is the basic drive which emerges in the world, which is a basic drive which emerges in the world initially. And now see the next drive. The next drive. It is it. What is the next drive? Anyone may say it consists of a piston and an engine. Yes, very good. This is IC engine, internal combustion engine drive. This is internal combustion engine drive. See here, IC engine drive. This is the next state from the mechanical drive. The next emerging drive is the IC engine drive. And now let me see the next one. See here, what is this? A piston is there, a small pipe is there, a hose, and a dial is there, which may measure what? A pedal and an yellow color pedal is there, and then which measures what? Whether it is any guesses? As okay, the system that employs a motion control. Here again, the next drive, whether it is hydraulic or pneumatic, the new word comes into picture. Any answers? Any answers? I think that this is hydraulic drive. Oil tank. The oil tank is in the right hand side, therefore it is the hydraulic drive. Whereas the right hand side, see here, a blue color cylinder and a pedal is there. And this may be a pneumatic drive with the control of air. A pneumatic drive with the control is taken with the help of air. Whereas the hydraulic, the control is taken with the help of oil. Any guesses? What is this? Yes, JCB. Procline. Now let me see the merits and the demerits of all these drives available from the invention. The first is the mechanical with the help of a gear wheel and a chain. As, and the next one is hydraulic, IC engine, and pneumatic comes into picture. See here the mechanical. Easy transmission, but wear and tear comes into picture. You mean the friction is there. Next, IC engine. IC engine. Let me see what. The application is more, still it is utilized, whereas it needs a fuel, a smoke, and it is a dirty since oil comes into picture. The engine may be dirty. It creates air pollution, smoke. The next one, hydraulic. Yes. Again, hydraulic is more efficient, but it is dirty because of oil. And a frequent maintenance is required since if the oil may leakages occurs, then it is not efficient. See one the next one, it is a pneumatic drive. Again, this is also very efficient than hydraulic, but a very frequent maintenance is required for pneumatic because the leakage of air, the chances of getting leakage of air is more while comparing with hydraulic. All these merits and demerits of mechanical, IC engine, hydraulic, and pneumatic are replaced with the help of electric drive. See here the electric drive. The electric drive requires a prime mover drive that employs electric motor. See here. The electric motor, the left part, in the orange color, and the drive is there. This is called electric drive. The prime mover for the motor is known as electrical drive. In the next video, let me see the elements, basic elements of electric drive. Thank you for patient listening.